Okay, so on this video, what I want to do is show you how you can connect multiple payment for providers for different features that require payments inside of your account. At one point in time, you were only able to just connect one, and they would be able to access all of your different features in here that require payments. But now they've made it so now you can select more than one. So let's go to the menu here on the left. We're going to go to payments. And then up here in the upper right here, the top menu, we're going to go to integrations. Okay. So in the payment screen here of the integrations, you'll see that there's different payment providers. We have Stripe, PayPal, Authorized Net, Square is another one that's pretty good. Um, so from here, in order to connect them, you'll need to click on Configure Providers. Okay. So now you'll see a list here of all the different features that require or not require, but use the payment feature inside of them. So within this list, you can select which payment provider you want to use for each type. So we got funnels because we do have one step for order forms. That's just one form inside of a funnel where they'll complete their payment information. A two-step is just a two-pager where they complete maybe like their name and address on one page of the form, and then on the next page they fill out their billing information. Forms, that's just a payment opportunity on a form. Stores, payments in stores. Calendars, you can accept payments in calendars. Invoices, invoice auto payments specifically. And then we have payment links as well too, where you can send out payment links and you can pick which payment provider that you want to do that with. We have payments that you can accept in courses, communities, and surveys as well too. So from here, we also have our live button here. This is live. So this means that this will be effective for when the payments feature is actually live. Now, if you want to test it, you can click on the test button here, and then you can set up a payment provider according to a test of a payment that you want to send out to make sure that the payment feature is working like you would want to. So let's say if we're in live, um, this is where you will select the payment provider. It will select your default here. If you, let's say if you only have one, I have one set up right now. So you'll just see this one here as a default. But if you want to add multiple, you'll just click on the plus right here. Of course, mine again does not have another one in here, but let's say if it was PayPal, then you'll be able to select PayPal from a drop down. It'll have Stripe and PayPal sitting in there if I only had those two. If I had three, then it'll say Stripe, PayPal, or Square. Let's say if we don't want to use Stripe here, we'll just click the X here, and then we'll do a confirm to reset, and it'll just block everything out. It'll remove everything, all the payment providers for that, because we only had the Stripe. So now to select it, we'll just click on the plus. You have a drop down here, and then you'll click on the payment provider that you want to use. Again, I only have Stripe, but if I had multiple, let's say if it was PayPal and Square, then you'll see all of those payment providers listed on the drop down. So you'll just click on the one that you want to use. And again, you can use multiple. So if you want to add another one, you'll just click on the plus and then click on the next one that's available. Okay. So that's how you will select multiple payment providers that you can use for different features inside of your 360 account and switch them around so you don't have to use the same one for each type of feature.